Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn one new rhyme, and the title of the rhyme is Rainbow. What is the title of a rhyme? Rainbow. Children, do you know in a rainbow we have 7 colors? How many colors? 7 colors. And when you can see the rainbow? Yes, in a rainy season. In a rainy season only you can see the rainbow. So, are you ready to do the rhyme? Yes. Children, first we are going to listen to the teacher. Okay? Then we are going to say together. Title of the rhyme is Rainbow. Title of the rhyme is Rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Blue and green, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Yellow, orange and red. Yellow, orange and red. Yes, this is a rhyme. Now you are going to say along with the teacher. Title of the rhyme is Rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Blue and green, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Yellow, orange and red. Yellow, orange and red. Yay! Children, did you enjoy? Yes, you all have to learn this. Okay, now it's activity time for you all. Are you going to do this activity? Yes. In today's activity, we are going to make a rainbow. What we are going to make? Rainbow. For this, children, the material you need is paper plate, or if you are not having a paper plate, no worries, you can use the paper also, plain paper. Just cut it into half. Fevicol, thread, some cotton and crayon colors. You need all these for this activity. So are you ready to do the activity? Yes. So children, are you ready with the things? I'm ready with my things. See, half circle shape paper, crayons, Fevicol, cotton and thread. You can use a paper plate also. Take the help of Mama and see, draw these 7 palettes on the paper. See, like this. In a rainbow you see. Yes? Now, you remember, children, the colors of the rainbow? Yes. So, with the help of a crayon, we are going to color this rainbow. We have 7 parts. Yes. Now we'll take a crayon. First. Yes, violet. Which color? Violet. Take a violet color. Starting from down, children. You have to color violet. First, children, color the outline so that the color should not come out, and then color it nicely. See? Yes. Then indigo. Which color? Indigo. Now same way we have to do the border first so that the color should not come out, children. You have to color it very nicely. The color should not go here and there. And then you have to color it nicely and properly like this. Then which color? Blue. Yes, blue color, violet, indigo and blue. Same way, children, first do the border. Yes, like this. Then you have to color it, okay? Violet, indigo, blue. Now green. Which color? Green. You have to remember the sequence also, children, right? Now you have to do the border first with the green color, and then color it nicely and properly. Yes, green. Now yellow. Which color? Yellow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow. Yes. See again, children. Do the border and then color it, okay? Yes, yellow. Now orange. Which color? Orange color. After yellow, orange color. Do the border first, and then you have to color it properly. Yes. Now red. Last color, red. Yes. You have to do it nicely and properly, children. Yes. Like this you have to color the full rainbow, and our rainbow is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, colorful rainbow. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take some cotton and put it on the ends of this rainbow, both the ends of the rainbow. Okay? How you are going to put? With the help of Fevicol. Take some Fevicol and put it on the ends of the rainbow like this. Take little Fevicol, children. Yes, on both the ends. Yes, like this. Yes. Properly you are going to put the cotton now. Now cotton gives the effects of the clouds, right? So take some cotton and put it like this on the Fevicol. Yes. You have to stick the cotton on this Fevicol. Right, now on the other side also same way we are going to put the cotton. You have to make the pieces like this and put the cotton on the rainbow. Yes, like this. See the two clouds in the rainbow? Yes. Now we are going to put the two holes on the top of the rainbow like this. Yes. Now take the thread and we are going to put the thread inside the hole like this and tie a knot. You can take the help of your mama to tie a knot. Okay? Yes. Do it slowly, it should not tear. Yes. And same way on the other side also. Put it inside the hole and tie a knot. Yes, like this. And see children, our rainbow is ready to hang. Yes, you can hang this rainbow anywhere in your house. Okay, you can hang this rainbow in the window or on the door, anywhere. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. So children, did you enjoy the activity? Yes. You all can make a rainbow. You all have to learn and practice the rhyme. We will meet in another session. Till then,